Hey, what's up guys? We're out on the trail again today. This is week 3 of our 52 hikes in 2019. And we are at Warriors Path State Park today. We're actually hiking on some multi-use trails. These are mountain biking and hiking trails. And the one we're doing today is the Whitetail Loop. It's a moderately rated trail. We're going about 2.5 miles. Today's not the best weather for hiking. It's rainy out here. It's extremely muddy on the trail. I've almost slipped about 5 times already. But what we're fighting with right now, more than anything, is the loss of daylight. We got a late start today, and it was unfortunately the only day this week that I could hike. We've just moved into a new house, so that's amazing, but it's left me with almost no time to do anything this week except for stuff on the house. So the hike's gonna be a little bit different today. It's gonna be fast. After that extra long video I gave you guys last week, figured I'll give you a little bit shorter one this week. So the video is going to be pretty short, and it's all going to be captured on my GoPro because that's the only camera I trust out here in this type of weather. So I'm going to be showing you guys my perspective off of my chest mount, as well as maybe a little bit of commentary. So stay tuned. Here we go. Not sure if they meant to block the path or not. I wouldn't think they would, but you never know. Looks like that tree fell naturally and took some other trees down with it. Cave down here or something. Ow. There's a lot of briars and pointy plants protecting it. Oh, it's crazy. I wonder if anything lives down there. Probably bats. Whoa. I don't know if you can see that. It goes all the way down there. It's probably 25 feet, 30 feet below me. All the way down there when I finally see the floor. I don't know how far it actually goes. That is crazy. That is cool. A little gem on the path. That's pretty crazy. That was awesome. So I'm pretty sure this is the area of the trail that's called Rock City, or at least part of it. We're still in the Whitetail Loop, but you can see all the rocks. It makes sense if it was called Rock City. I know it's nothing spectacular, but I just absolutely love views like this. Just feel one with nature, in the middle of an open forest, hiking the path with rocks and trees all around you, steady sound of the rain coming down around you. It honestly doesn't get better than this. I absolutely love it out here. These trees you see with the white leaves are called beech trees. I absolutely love them. It reminds me of being back in my parents' woods when I was growing up. They had a few beech trees. Oh, and there goes a deer, right out there. I don't know if you even saw 2 deer. I don't know if the GoPro picked that up because it's such a wide angle lens. I guess it's the aptly named Whitetail Loop. It's an odd thing to be right here. I always worry about in these tight quarters, people who are up to no good, putting some sort of ropes or some sort of ties across these bike trails, trying to take out bikers just for fun. It actually happened a few times in Houston when I used to live there. Never happened to me, but there were some reports I would read about it, of people booby trapping the mountain biking trails. I'm wondering if that's what that rope was all about. I hope not. Hope it was just there naturally, but it seemed a little bit odd to be in that spot. With all this rain we've been having, these trees are all falling over. They've been cutting them to make room for the path, but all this mossy undergrowth that you see, all this greenery, and like, look right here. That just pulled right out because the ground is so soft right now. That's why I don't think they blocked the path on purpose back there. I think it was just a tree falling over. And you see it everywhere. Like this mossy undergrowth, that's sprouting up just due to all the wetness. I don't think you would normally see that, or at least not in those quantities. Did you hear that noise? Pretty sure that was a pileated woodpecker. There it goes again. These things are pretty rare these days. Remember, I used to see them growing up out in the woods, but I haven't seen one in years. Unfortunately, I don't have the time tonight or the daylight to try to get my eyes on it. But man, that'd be an awesome thing to come back and take a look at. That and that cave. Might want to come back and take a look at that cave a little bit further, see if we can drop a camera down on some ropes and see what's down there. Well, just when I thought that this wasn't going to be a true mountain hike, there wasn't going to be a lot of inclines and declines, all of a sudden we're surrounded by mountains and rocks. We even got a tiny little waterfall down there. We can't see it from here, but there's a small one right here too. This hike has surprised me. It wasn't that I wasn't expecting much coming in, but I've thoroughly been surprised with what I've gotten. Despite the bad weather and the mud and the rain and the grossness, this has been a thoroughly enjoyable hike. But then again, when is being out in nature not enjoyable? Wow. Check that view out. Amazing. And look, there's some deer down there. Do you see them? Probably not on the GoPro because this is so wide angle. They're straight down, staring right at me. Hi there. I'll leave them alone. Let them keep eating their dinner. It's like a mommy and a baby. All right, one last climb. We'll finish it up. So we made it back to the trailhead, all in one piece. We did get turned around a few times while we were out there, but we made it. So let me know, guys, if you like a video like this, that's more organic, less cinematic work. I swear, even though we're done, it's gonna make me wipe out by the end. So let me know, guys, if you like a video like this with less cinematic work, more organic, more one with the path, a little bit of commentary here and there, but mainly just showing you what it's all about. Or a video like last week's. It has more cinema thrown in, different camera angles, things like that. So anyway, we'll see you again next week. Hopefully the weather's a little bit better. At least it was warm today. It was strangely warm. It was 50 degrees, and I've definitely been sweating on the inside of my jacket. I think more than the rain's been making the outside of my jacket wet. But anyway, until next time, we'll see you guys on the next hike.